Set the time zone. Configure networking. Use IPv4. Input IP address, subnet mask, default gateway. Provide computer name. Use COE, CPE3B, Group 2. Workgroup as is. No domain yet. Restart your computer. How to set up Windows 2008 R2 domain controller. On your Windows 2008 R2 server, click Start, Run and type DC Promo. The Active Directory domain services binaries are installed, and then the installation wizard will start. Click Use Advanced Mode Installation, as we'll have more options than basic mode, and click Next.
Here in Operating System Compatibility, it shows a brief note. It helps to confirm that the application meets all the requirements. So after you read all of it, just click Next. And here, next we're going to create a new domain. So we're just going to click Create a new domain in the forest, then click Next. And next, here we're going to type our domain name. The domain name specifies the exact location in the tree hierarchy of the domain name system. So here we're going to type windowslab.local and click Next.
I'm Ann Paula Pasamon. The next step is to check the domain name if it is already exists through DNS check. In this part, the domain net BIOS name is a shortened name of your FQDN that you typed in earlier. Then click Next. In this step, we need to select our forest functional level. Easiest way to decide what to use is if you still have Windows 2000 domain controllers in your Active Directory, then select Windows 2000. If you have Windows 2003 domain controllers, then select Windows 2003. Same applies for Windows 2008. However, in this part, we will use Windows 2008 R2 servers. Then click Next.
Always select the DNS server with a domain controller, so the role will be installed automatically when you select this option. So just click Next. We are creating any delegations for DNS, and our DNS windowslab.local does not exist externally. So therefore, we just can click Yes. Here, we can change the locations of the database, log, and sysvol folder, or accept the defaults. So just click Next. You may want to click on and read the link, placing Active Directory domain services files to determine if you should place these folders on separate drives. set a directory services restore password. So be sure that you can remember this password or keep it in a safe place. So as this password is used to restore Active Directory in the event of a disaster where Active Directory needs to be restored.
So next is setting a directory services to restore password. In having this password, be sure to remember it or have it in a safe place. This password will be used when booting the SRM. And when the password is stored in safe place, many hours can be saved where it can be accessed by the correct administrators. Then after this, summary of the setup wizard will appear. If you are okay with the summary, click next, and if not, you can click on the export setting for the unattended operations of the Windows 2008 R2 domain controller. Then the next process on the next window will take longer time wherein the Active Directory is now configuring along with the DNS role. And now the installation is done. Now hit the finish.
Hi, I am Marcus Rel S. Sayaw, and discuss on the 17th part, you will be asked to reboot the server. Then, once the server reboots and you log in, click on the Start Administrative Tools and you can see all the Active Directory tools that have been installed to administer the domain. Then in Active Directory, users and computers, you can see that my server DC1 is located in Domain Controller's Organizational Unit. That's all, and thank you.